Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HCMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, an interesting scenario here headed into Thursday because the price has finally started to change direction. Not state the obvious, but just to build some context. But going into the day, it was just lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. But then notice what happened today. There were no lower lows. In fact, the price actually put in a higher low and started to turn itself around. So does this mean that this is the bottom? Does this mean that a huge move is coming? I'm not saying that. There's no such thing as a guarantee. My core point here is that it's at least it's at least a rational thought to begin to throw out there that, hey, you know what? Maybe, just maybe, some sort of bottom is formed. Maybe, just maybe, this thing is starting to get turned around. But that is also why, in my mind at least, this is a very important level to now watch moving forward. And that level sits there at 0016. Why is 0016 so important? Well, that's basically telling us whether or not the price is making progress. Meaning, if the price comes down here and bounces around like it's already been doing, so if that continues, as long as the price is above that area, think about what that's telling us. That's telling us that there's a set of lows right here, and then we can compare that to the previous set of lows down there, and if you envision those as stair steps, you do still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. So again, just because the price stays above 0016 doesn't mean that, a guarantee of anything, but it does make it more and more rational to think that maybe this is some sort of turnaround that's getting underway. But I mean, if the price comes down to 0016 and then just falls back below it, well, then at that point, you'd have the price having gone right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of genuine power, true strength, or anything of that nature. As far as the areas of resistance are concerned, all about that pink line moving forward, which I'm just going to call it 0019. So let's see if the price can get up through there. But overall, yeah, a potential change of direction here. So the next couple of days are certainly going to be very interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.